Hey guys, how is it going? Jatin here with Rockgrow. Today we're gonna decode everything around Leena AI, their business model, their revenue model, funding, recent news, competitive analysis, everything around it. This video is best for those who are looking for career opportunity with Leena AI, as they have a lot of opportunity available in their career portal for visual designer, UX designer, front end developer. Then we have opening in the marketing side, then we have opening in the sales. So everywhere they have the opening. So if you are looking to build a career with Leena AI, then if you present them this sort of presentation like the way I'm gonna do it right now, then this gonna definitely give you an X factor among all the other applicants, because as you know, for a single opening more than 50 to 60 candidates used to apply. There should be an edge, there should be X factor in you, that why they should opt for you rather than the others. So this is one of the X factor, along with your cover letter, ATS resume, and the way you present to them. Second, if you are someone who love learning about startups, then this video is for you, because they have recently raised $8 million funding and they're growing at really rapid pace. Let me show you what all I will be covering today and how this can help you during your interview. So first question usually comes like this: what do you know about Leena AI, or why do you want to opt for Leena AI rather than their competitors? So you can leverage these sort of information. Introduction: what do you know about the Leena AI? Leena AI is powered by Chatteron, a cutting edge AI chatbot development platform with self-learning cognitive capabilities, founded by Adityan Anand Prajapati, Mayank Goel back in 2017. So this is the introduction to Leena AI, that it is powered by a Chatteron which has learning cognitive capabilities, and this is where they develop their bot Leena AI. Okay, so what about their investor investment? So then these sort of information comes handy. They're backed by Y Combinator. Some of the investors include Elliott Gill, who is the Founders Club Fund, Quid Capital, Snapdeal Founders, Cathexis Venture, and others. So they have recently received a funding of around $8 million as well. Top services they are into: AI, human resource, informative services, information technology. Target sector: what sort of target sector they target? They target HRs, they conduct dipstick survey, IT, finance, and vendor procurement is something that they might be in the pipeline. Milestone that they have achieved: $10 million funding they have raised till date, 10 million plus conversational data points from over 12,000 businesses, and their product is available in multiple languages: English, Hindi, Tamil, Arabic, and other regional and languages of different countries. So this is about Leena AI. Now let me tell you the top notch services that they provide to the HR people. So the question usually comes like this in interview: what do you know about our business model? What do you know about the top services that we are into? Or if they don't ask it to you, still you can brag that I read this much of information about you before coming for the interview. So you guys, Leena AI basically provide HR chatbot that take care of HR duties, that includes leaves, holidays, policies, etc. Then they also do policy automation, get insights on various HR policies. So what generally happen, let me tell you what Leena AI basically do. It's a chat bot, and if you have any question around policies, around leaves, around your holidays, then instead of going to the HR, you can simply ask to the bot. Because in a bigger company, let's say of 500,000 people, HRs get flooded by these sort of questions, by similar questions, similar type of question by different employees. Hence these bots comes handy, which can automatically give responses to those sort of questions. Employee engagement: if an HR of let's say 10,000 plus employee size company would like to know how their employees are feeling within the organization, that they can do with the help of Leena AI. Then some of the upcoming solution might be in their pipeline include IT sector automation. If you have any question around IT, around finance, around vendor procurement, that would be in the warehouse sector or something like that, that might be in their pipeline. So this is also a conversational pain point that you can discuss with them, that I know that you guys are into the HR tech startup, so how about do we have any plans or moving into maybe IT, maybe finance, maybe vendor procurement automation, because I can see that there is a white space there as well, because people generally have a lot of IT related questions as well. So these sort of questions, these sort of conversational touch point, if you bring in during your interview, will definitely help you in bringing that X factor. Okay, Leena AI for clients. So how do they help the client? So generally question like this, that why do you think clients should opt for Leena AI? So presentation slide like this comes very handy, that you are a cloud based platform, hence the integration would be super easy. You need not to go to their offices for integration. It could be done seamlessly from the remote location. Increased idea generation, when you have employee engagement survey going on to each and every employee, you are inviting ideas from each and every employee, then this help boost in increase idea generation, also boost productivity. Because if I see that my CEO is asking questions from me that how we can grow, then this give me a sense of inspiration, sense of goodwill, that yes, CEO know me and he is asking ideas from me, then this is something a thumbs up. Okay. Improved employee engagement as well, every employee playing a role to drive process improvements, because everyone is getting engaged with the help of survey and feedbacks. Reduce communication gap, because sometimes it happen, some of the question you may not be able to get answer from HR because they are already preoccupied with a lot of other tasks. Hence you can simply access the bot. You have any question in the form of policies, in the form of leaves, in the form of how to do we have any COVID-19 related policy, everything around it you can get instantly. This is why clients should offer Leena AI. Okay. Leena AI revenue model, how do they earn? First of all, they have like subscription based model, subscription charges based on the module that you basically take from them. Installation charges, that's a one time installation charge that they will be doing the remote installation, for that they charge something. Upselling, for example, you opt for their one solution, let's say HR automation, and then they upsell you their employee engagement, so this is also a way to earn. Possible challenges for Leena AI. So for example, what generally happen, let's take a scenario that during an interview your interviewer is asking you some hard questions for which you don't have any answer, or you are being quite confused that how to answer this, and your interviewer getting an edge. So in those scenarios, you can ask the interviewer a permission that can I ask you something related to Leena AI. So he would be like, sure, ask me. Then you can bring this particular slide into play and try to gain his attention and get an upper edge during the interview. For example, talk about their competitor. So I can see that Enfido has a better edge when it comes to employee engagement rather than Lean AI. What's your thought on this? So I can see Yellow Messenger has a better edge when it comes to offering services, that they are into customer support, they are into HR tech, they are into employee engagement, they're into different verticals. What's your thought on this? So those sort of questions gives you an edge over your interviewer and maybe help you to balance things out. Strategic decision, what I think that AI lacks in taking strategic decision. How at Leena AI we are countering this? Humans from AI programs generally lacks emotional touch. How we are countering this? Cyber attack, so this is a very major point, because recently a lot of tech startups are attacked by the cyber attack, and that's something that we should take care of very seriously. So these sort of points comes very handy. We know their business model, the top services, we know why clients should opt for Lean AI. Now we know their revenue model, possible challenges. Next step is apply to their job section. Also browse my videos on how to make a ATS resume and cover letter as well. While submitting a job application, make sure you are submitting this sort of presentation, and then your job application with respect to the cover letter and ATS resume. Well, if you want to explore the job opening, then you can visit this website and then their career section. One more thing I would like to add here, that if you like this particular presentation about Lean AI and you think that if you submit this sort of presentation to your HR person, then this will definitely boost the chance of getting an HR interview call or clearing the interview round as well, then I have a dedicated playlist on my YouTube channel, that's Rock Grow, that talks about Indian startup hub. If you explore this playlist, then you have startup information around Urban Company, CureFit. Then we have Onfido, that's again a tech startup that is really growing fastly. Hungerbox, Bounce, bike rental startups, everything around it. If you want me to prepare another video on some other startup, then you can let me know. I will be coming back to you within a week's time and gonna provide you the video presentation on any of the startup which you people prefer. Okay, so guys, if you are someone who is really serious in their career, then I will strongly recommend you to sign up for LinkedIn off campus 7 days workshop, where I will be teaching everything around how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to build relevant network, social selling, three weapons to get 100% HR interview call. One is company specific presentation, second is cover letter that speaks, third is 8 years resume with the help of artificial intelligence. Top 4 hacks to find jobs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn automation hacks. Everything around it. This is going to be a super automated journey where we're gonna discuss everything about automation. How to automatically make LinkedIn profile, how to automatically build admin networks, how to do social selling on LinkedIn. So something around that. So I will highly encourage, if you're really serious about a career, then go check them out. So this is the reference section. This is something that you must include in your presentation. You can absolutely skip this slide from your presentation, but yes, this is something that you must include, that you should show them that these many articles I read about you guys before applying for the interview. Please, do consider my job application. Give me a chance to, present myself in front of you guys. Oh guys, so if you like this video, consider hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you would like me to cover another, startup tech video.